again, Harry. Yes, we are just here on tours. Yes, our major project is TC Soft and Diamond Tours. Yes, today we are in Yiwu. Yes, Yiwu Hardware Fair. Yes, welcome. And I will let you see this. Okay. Yes, this is our fair. This is Colin. Okay, say hello. Yes. Okay. Yeah, this is our product 50 soplat, yes, and the polishing tool 50 soplat, the big soplat and the small diamond soplat, okay?
Hello. Welcome to my live room. This is Lisa from Jiangxi Design Toys Company. We have TCT saw blade and diamond toys.
This is our new product here for you, yes. This is, you can see it's 4 inches and 30 pieces. Hello, welcome to my live stream. Okay, now we are in the Yiwu Hardware Fair, yes. And this is our samples, yes. You can see all of this, okay? I will show you. Yes. You see? This is Lisa. Hello, yes. Okay, Lisa. Okay. This is Joyce, yes. Say hello, yes. Yeah. This is our new product, 4 inches, 30 pieces for cutting wood. If you like this one, please leave me a message, okay? Send me what you want and I will give you more details later, okay? Now I'll only show you the samples. This is our package, okay? And we also have, we can do from 4 inches to 8 inches, okay? Just tell me which size do you want. This is our 9 inches, okay? The diameter is 230, okay? The TC is 60. This is for cutting wood. Good price, good quality. If you like it, please leave me a message, okay, my friends? Thank you. Now we are in Yiwu. Yes, we are in Yiwu Hardware Fair. Okay, let me show you the fair. Yes, the real fair. This is Joyce. Yes, our manager. Hello. This is Lisa. Yes, our dear Lisa. This is the hardware show. Okay, so many people. This is Colin. Yes, say hello to my dear customer. 哇，爆了！一下来几十个，来了好多人。
你说英文。
Hello. Yes, Abby. Yeah.
有用的。
Yes.
嗨，
一下子10个人来了。
来了10个人。好了。
Yes. Can see. Yes. Hot sale product. All of our hot sale product are here. Yes, my friend. Yes. This is Echo speaking. We are just on tours. Yes, our major project is TC Softland and Diamond Softland. Welcome to my show. Okay? Yes. I want to show you this. This is our new product. Yes. You can see it's 4 inches. Okay, 30 pieces. This is for cutting wood. Yes. Do you want this one? Okay. Yes, if you like it, please just leave me a message, my dear friends. Okay, it's very good price and also good quality. Yes. Welcome to my live stream. We are just little on. Okay, this is Echo speaking. Next, this is our 9 inches. Okay, 哇，一下真合人。Okay, 9 inches. Okay, 230 diameter. Okay, this is 60 pieces. Okay. Yes, my friends. Now we are in the Yiwu Hardware Fair. Yes. Okay. See you.
Hello, this is Lisa from Jiangxi Design Toys Company. Welcome to my live room. This is TCT saw blade. Forward, 4 inch. We have many tools, 30 tools, 80 tools, and 40 tools. Forward. Can stay shape for a long time. 9 inch. 6 tools. Forward.
20. Okay.
可以给他有时候看见老外他们做好，
哦，对
然后来。
，brownie plate. 2 tooths. Read one. They have many color. Okay. Brownie plate. 4 inch. Plus tooth. Blue one. Welcome to my live room. Okay. Send me message if you have any question.
For you here, this is okay. Okay, this is little entrance. Yes.
Bye. Colin. 能看得到吗？太近了，感觉。
他们自己的广告，我们自己的。
Hello, nice to meet you here, my friend.
空间能量好
Yes,
大。
our booth,
Huh?
okay. If you have any interest in our product, please give me a message.
不是这边人多。
宽，那个路很宽的，我们